Yeah, thank you so much. Ayan, mag-end na po tayo. Just so you listen na one of my last song. And alam mo na kung ano yung last song na yun. Anong oras na po, guys? 1 o'clock na ba? Naku, 1 o'clock na. Yeah, let's sing na to end our life. Thank you so much, guys. God bless us all and be safe. Pagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Yeah. Salute to all, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I hope to see you again tomorrow. I hope I can do my live again tomorrow because I need